Hi everyone, welcome back to Printer Tales. If your shared printer is not showing on the network, this could be due to a change in sharing and network settings. Also, Windows Firewall might be blocking the printer's network. In this video, I'll walk you through different settings to fix the issue. So, let's get started. Go to your desktop, then click on the Start button. Now, open Settings. In the Settings window, go to the left panel and open Network and Internet. Under the Network and Internet folder, scroll down a bit and click on the Advanced Network Settings. On the next screen, go to More Settings section and click on Advanced Sharing Settings. In the next window, expand Private Networks. Here, toggle on the Network Discovery and File and Printer Sharing settings. After that, go to the Public Networks, then turn on the Network Discovery and File and Printer Sharing settings. At last, expand the All Networks section and turn on the Public Folder Sharing settings. Now, go to the left panel again. From there, open the Bluetooth and Devices section. Under Bluetooth and Devices settings, go to the Printer and Scanners, then open it. Here, go to the section Add a printer or scanner and click on the printer that is facing a problem. In your printer settings, click on the Printer Properties. On your Printer's Properties window, open the Sharing tab. In the Sharing folder, tick the Share this printer and Render print jobs on the client computer options. Once done, click on Apply, then hit OK. Now, restart your computer. After the computer restarts, go to the computer, open the network folders and check if the printer shows up. If you find our solution helpful, please subscribe to our channel. On your desktop, click on Search, Find Services and open it. In the Services window, scroll and find Functions Discovery Provider Host, then double-click on it. On the Properties window, go to Startup Type and select Automatic. Now, go to Service Status section and ensure it's running. Note, click on Start button to make it show running. After that, click on Apply and hit OK. Now, double-click on the Function Discovery Resource Publication. On the Function Discovery Resource Publication Properties tab, go to Startup Type and select Automatic. Check the service status, says Running, then click on Apply and hit OK button. Now, on the Services window, find Printer Spooler and double-click on it. In the Open window, go to Startup Type and select Automatic. Ensure service status says Running, then click on Apply and hit the OK button. Now, double-click on the printer extensions and notifications. In the Properties window, go to the Startup Type and select Automatic. Ensure service status says Running, then click on Apply and hit the OK button. If you're facing the printer issues, let us know in the comments section. If the shared printer is still not showing on the network, follow the next instructions. On the desktop screen, click on the search bar. Search for Open Windows Security. On the Windows Security window, open Virus and Threat Protection. Now, scroll down a bit and go to Virus and Threat Protection Settings. Here, click on the Manage Settings. On the next screen, turn off Real-Time Protection. Now, scroll down a bit and turn off Automatic Sample Submission. If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.